This is Bhavani Ramani here. I'm a patient of Dr. KT Rajashekar of Apollo Hospitals, Bannerghatta Road. I underwent a total knee replacement of my right knee on the 13th of February in Apollo Hospitals, Bannerghatta Road. When I came here, I had been going through this pain post-pandemic for so much time, and somehow or other I had not been able to undergo the operation earlier due to certain constraints, and it had aggravated so much that it had come to a stage that I had not been able to walk even for 1 kilometer without pain. And then I came to Dr. Rajashekar and underwent all the investigations and all that, and he gave a green signal, go-ahead signal for the surgery. The surgery date was done. Believe me, during the operation, I was not apprehensive at all because Dr. Rajashekar had done my left knee 10 years back, and I knew it. So I totally very peaceful. But once I came out of the OT and after the anesthesia got over and all that, when they started doing the physiotherapy and all, and I started being able to bend my knee, being able to stretch it, do the exercises, I was really so grateful because I had not been able to do all this. So much flexibility had not been there during these years that I had been having the pain. I feel much more relaxed and in and around the knee. I decided to have a conventional surgery, TKR, not a robotic one, because the earlier one was also a conventional one. So I went for it and no regrets really. And the pain now, I really believe that I'm going to walk as normally as I had been doing before the pandemic. The pain when they do the physiotherapy, flexing the muscles, the legs, everything has become much easier. I'm able to feel, and I have no words to say how grateful I am to Dr. Rajashekar and the entire staff of Apollo Hospitals. Thank you very much. Let's hope that so many of us sometimes hesitate to undergo the operation because of fears and all that. Please, you are in expert hands. Please don't even think about it. We don't have to live like this in pain for so long. The earliest that you can, those of you who have any knee problem like this, you may consult him and do the needful so that you improve the quality of life, which I am now convinced that I'll be improving. Thank you so much. Have a great day.